1 and 4, 19.
What are you doing? You want to go live? Or, I mean,
46 back in service.
yeah, guys, we are on the shuttle of Park and Fly, headed to Bush Airport out here in Houston, Texas, and we're about to get on our plane because we're going to the Dominican Republic to the Hard Rock Hotel in Punta Cana. Been a little while since we've flown somewhere. We've been on a lot of motorcycle trips, so it's totally different for Paul on the Run channel. Well, Ruthie has flown places. And we're just flying to Orlando tonight, and then tomorrow we catch the plane to get to the DR. And then I don't know how long that flight is, but we will be there tomorrow about mid-afternoon, enjoying some really good drinks and hopefully relaxing because it has been a stressful 2 weeks.
Oh.
I will fill y'all guys in, but especially the last 24 hours have been very stressful, and we will fill you in on that as well. We'll catch up with you a little bit over there when we're eating some questionable tacos or something.
Fast food. Vegetable tacos.
Questionable, not vegetable.
Oh, I heard vegetable.
Yeah, some questionable tacos. The weight limit through Spirit is 40 pounds on your luggage, your checked-in luggage. And Ruthie had checked in her bag, and it was like 42 pounds or something, and mine was under. And then we switched some things into my bag, and then my bag went to 42 pounds, and then hers was under. And we did that like how many times?
5? Mine has been 5 times at least, maybe.
Oops.
Yeah, 5.
So that's kind of funny. Ruthie said this is the part that we should have been recording because it was just funny to catch us going back and forth on that. We have a short 2.5 to 3 hour flight, give or take. We'll get to Orlando about 11:30, and then we got to catch a cab to our hotel because we have a 10-hour layover. I always say that wrong. We have a 10-hour layover. Check that out.
It's good.
Yeah, we're about to take off.
Hi.
Gotta be a ninja. I think if she sees me, she's gonna tell me to put the camera up. She already made me put a mask on. We're inside the airport, and now we need to go find a cab or an Uber to get to our hotel, which luckily it's only like 2 minutes from here.
2 miles.
2 miles, not 2 minutes. And then we'll get to sleep tonight because we have a 10-hour layover.
Mm-hmm.
Not an overlay.
How do you exit? We're stuck.
Well, we're lost.
We don't fly, people. Y'all know this.
We only ride.
The doors are now closing. The shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main terminal.
We just got an Uber. They'll be here like in a minute, 2 minutes. And we should be at the hotel by, it said 11:29, 11:21, so it's like an 8-minute drive. That's pretty sweet. And we'll figure out what time we gotta eat breakfast, and we'll go from there. That might be our guy right there. Just got to our hotel. Got our Uber ride. That was pretty painless. Now I still got to tell y'all guys about what happened in the prior 2 weeks to this, like all the work I've been doing, and then the last 24 hours. But right now, getting off this plane couldn't have been easier and more stress-free. So far, so good. Things are starting to move a little bit better. So maybe not.
Turn or swipe. Move, turn handle.
Insert, leave it. Maybe I spoke too soon. Let me try.
Nombre.
You have the touch.
I got a touch.
Oh.
Cool.
11:33.
That's, yeah, we're doing all right. 11:33, so we can get 6 hours of sleep. Man, we need to be at the airport at what time? Anyways, we'll figure it out. But we'll see y'all guys tomorrow morning. 2 weeks prior to this trip happening, just started a business, me and some business partners, opening up a company called HDM Smokers, where we build offset smoker pits ranging from backyard type smokers all the way up to your 1,000-gallon commercial pit smokers, double pit smokers and things like that. So of course timing is a little off in terms of getting the company ready and taking this trip, but this trip, my wife Ruthie, she earned it because she is a Younique presenter and Younique sells makeup. So she hit one of their levels to qualify for this trip, and man, she did an awesome job on it. So I'm really proud of her for accomplishing that. So of course this is one of those, not a once in a lifetime trip, but when you earned it, you want to take advantage of it, right? So that's what we're doing. So despite the timing with the company opening and this trip, I wouldn't say super stressful because I love what I do in the new company that we started, but there's a lot going on. There's a lot of moving parts that we're trying to figure out. So with that said, on top of that, the last 48 hours trying to get here and to confirm the hotel over in the Dominican Republic was just a fiasco. So I'll have to let Ruthie tell you a little bit more about that. But for right now, everything is okay, and we're about to board the plane in a couple of hours, and it's 48 degrees here in Orlando right now, and where we're going, it's going to be a nice 75 in the morning and with a high of 85 all day in the evening. That'll be really nice. I will check in with you guys at the airport, and then when we get to the DR. So later. We just went through the security checkpoint.
1 hour.
So we're here. We're gonna get on our connecting flight now to the Dominican Republic, and we'll see y'all guys over there. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm pretty anxious to get to the hotel.
I'm so excited to be so excited.
So Ruthie pointed out that we're in the same clothes. Yeah. Well, we are. You notice Ruthie's sweater and her mask.
Hi, matchies.
She's gotten 2 people notice already. So we are now on the last leg of this flight to Punta Cana, and then we still have to make one more travel arrangement from the airport to the hotel. And then I'll just show you everything at the hotel. Shuttle on our way to the Hard Rock Hotel. We're still getting ourselves acclimated to the weather because it's hot outside, it's warm. So we need cold drinks and pools and beaches.
Check.
Yeah, and we have all that available to us when we get to the resort. So we're looking forward to it, and as usual, we'll see you when we get over there. Gracias, muchas gracias. Sí.
Y que lo traga de nuevo, ¿ves?
¿Verdad? Look at that, guys. Younique Tacana. Gracias, gracias. We get our room and then they come in and I guess they take our bags to the room.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're in. You saw the Younique sign up there that Ruthie's trip is all about. So,
So cool, guys.
yeah, now we're about to... This isn't like La Quinta.